Planting fruit trees in Zone 9A can bring years of delicious harvests and beauty to your backyard. Or, if you overlook a few important details, it can lead to years of frustration and disappointment. The difference between a thriving orchard and struggling trees often comes down to the choices you make before you even put a shovel in the ground. In this unique climate, where hot summers and mild winters shape what will grow, it's essential to plan ahead and understand the needs of your chosen fruit trees. It's not just about digging a hole and dropping in a sapling. It's about understanding our unique climate, the specific soil conditions in your yard, and the quirks and preferences of each tree variety. For example, some fruit trees need well-drained soil, while others can tolerate heavier clay. Knowing your soil's pH and amending it if necessary can make all the difference in how your trees grow and produce fruit. Today, I'll walk you through the most common mistakes folks make when planting fruit trees in Louisiana, like planting too deep, ignoring root health, or choosing the wrong location. And I'll show you how to get it right from the very start. We'll cover everything from selecting the best spot with plenty of sunlight, to preparing the soil, to giving your young trees the care they need in their first critical months. Let's dig into the best ways to set your fruit trees up for years of abundant harvests, vibrant growth, and lasting beauty in your home orchard. With the right approach, you'll enjoy fresh fruit and a thriving landscape for many seasons to come. One of the most common and critical mistakes gardeners make when planting a fruit tree is setting it too deep in the ground. It might seem like planting deeper would help anchor the tree or protect it, but in reality, this can cause serious problems. The root flare, the spot where the trunk begins to widen at the base, should always be visible just above the soil line, never buried. If you cover the root flare with soil, you risk suffocating the roots and trapping excess moisture around the trunk. This creates the perfect environment for rot and disease to take hold, which is especially problematic in our humid climate, where moisture lingers longer. Before you plant, always take a moment to gently brush away any excess soil from the base of the sapling to clearly identify the root flare. Planting at the correct depth is a simple but crucial step that can mean the difference between a healthy, thriving fruit tree and a disappointing loss. Taking this extra care ensures your tree gets the best possible start and can flourish for years to come. Louisiana's heavy rains and slow-draining soils can spell disaster for fruit trees. If water lingers after a storm, plant your tree on a mound 8 to 12 inches above ground to keep roots dry. Amend heavy clay with compost or sand, but elevation is key. Healthy roots need air, not soggy soil. Give them the drainage they crave, and you'll enjoy years of fresh fruit. Overwatering is just as risky as drought, especially for young trees. Instead of frequent light watering, soak deeply and let the soil dry out a bit before watering again. Test moisture by sticking your finger a couple inches into the soil. If it's damp, wait. Our humidity slows evaporation, so don't be fooled into watering too often. Get the rhythm right, and your trees will reward you with strong growth. Mulch is a fruit tree's best friend, if you use it right. Never pile mulch against the trunk. Keep it a few inches away to prevent rot and pests. Use pine straw or another light mulch, spreading it in a wide circle like a donut. This protects roots, conserves moisture, and enriches the soil over time. A little care with mulching pays off season after season. Not every fruit tree can handle Zone 9A's heat and humidity. Choose varieties with low chill hour requirements and proven disease resistance. Local nurseries usually stock what thrives here. Ask for their recommendations. The right tree will fruit sooner and need less work. Start with what works, and you'll save yourself years of frustration. Muscadine grapes are a true southern treasure, native to Louisiana and perfectly adapted to our warm, humid climate. These resilient vines thrive here with minimal fuss, making them a favorite among local gardeners. Two standout varieties you'll often find are Carlos and Noble. Both are excellent choices whether you want to enjoy the grapes fresh, make homemade jelly, press juice, or even craft your own wine. To get the best harvest, plant muscadines in a spot that gets full sun and provide a sturdy trellis for support, as these vigorous vines can grow quite large. One of the best things about muscadines is their natural resistance to most pests and diseases, so you won't need to worry much about spraying or constant maintenance. When harvest time arrives, there's nothing quite like picking these sweet, thick-skinned fruits on a warm Louisiana afternoon. It's a delicious, nostalgic taste of the South that's hard to beat. Figs are classic Southern fruit, hardy, mostly pest-free, and perfect for our hot summers. Celeste and brown turkey are top choices for Louisiana gardens. Plant in full sun, mulch well, and prune lightly each winter. Figs tolerate drought and short floods, producing baskets of sweet fruit with little fuss. Pick figs as soon as they ripen, or the birds might beat you to it. Pears are among the easiest fruit trees for Zone 9A. Tough, adaptable, and low maintenance. Kefir and Orient varieties handle our wet summers and occasional dry spells with ease. Give them sun, good airflow, and a little winter pruning. Pear trees bloom beautifully and can produce for decades. They're a great choice for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Satsuma mandarins are the best citrus for Louisiana, sweet, easy to peel, and reliable. Brown Select is a favorite for its juicy early fruit. Plant in well-drained soil, full sun, and protect from rare deep freezes. Satsumas stay compact and start producing quickly. There's nothing like a homegrown Satsuma on a chilly morning. Pure Louisiana sunshine. Peaches need a little extra care in Zone 9A, but low-chill varieties like Florida Prince and Gulf King make it possible. Plant in full sun, prune regularly, and space trees for good airflow to prevent disease. Water deeply during fruit set, then ease up as harvest nears. These varieties fruit even after mild winters. Just be patient. With the right care, you'll enjoy baskets of fragrant golden peaches. Growing fruit trees is about more than fresh produce. It's about creating a living legacy. Avoid common mistakes and choose varieties suited for Louisiana, and you'll enjoy abundance for years. Every garden is unique, so keep learning and sharing your journey. If you like these videos and want to help us grow, please like and subscribe. Happy gardening!